Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make your Instagram account private on Android. Okay, so this is my Android device. So just find your Instagram app, okay, on your Android device. So here is my Instagram app. Just tap on this to open it. It's now opened, and after that guys, you have to log into your Instagram account. You can see that I'm already logged in, okay, and after that just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on this, okay, and here I have this profile page opened. And guys, if you have more than one account configured in the app, just tap on the account name at the top, and after that choose the account that you want to change. So I only have one account in this and I want to change this only, so let me go back. Okay, so in order to make this account private, just tap on this three bars at the top right. So let me tap on this, okay, and after that you have to tap on this settings at the bottom. So let me tap on this settings, okay, and here we have the privacy. Just tap on this privacy, okay, and under connections here we have the account privacy. So currently you can see that I have this set to public. So just tap on this account privacy, okay, and here we have the account privacy screen opened. Okay, so before making private account, here we have the message. Let's read that. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos and videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. Okay, so here we have this learn more, this link. If you want to learn more about this private account feature, you can just tap on this learn more, this link. So let me tap on this, okay, and here we have this help page of Instagram opened, privacy and safety center. You can see we have various information. Just read that if you are interested. Okay, so let me go back. Okay, so let's make this account private. So in order to make this account private, just tap on this switcher next to the private account. You can see currently it's gray, that means it's off. So let me tap on this, and here we have the pop-up change to private account. Again we have this message, when your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos, videos and stories on Instagram. Your existing followers won't be affected. Okay, so just read this message, and if you agree, just tap on this OK, this link. So let me tap on this OK, and you can see it's now on. Okay, so if I go back, you can see account privacy set to private. Okay guys, so that's it. In this way you can easily make your Instagram account private on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.